Hello learning kids. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. By Shaunak Bharti. Today we will learn about COVID-19. World Health Day. What do you do if you are not well? You will be sick and you can get COVID-19 also. You will admit in a hospital. However, in many parts of the world, this is not the case. However, in many parts of the world, this is a COVID-19 case. You can see this picture. It can also harm people and the people also get COVID-19. Healthcare around the world. At least half of the world's population does not have access to external health services such as doctors and hospitals. Almost 100 million people live in extreme poverty and cannot afford to pay for basic health services. For many people, it is a choice between having money to buy food or having money to pay for health care. Do you think it is fair? No, it's not fair. What is the World Health Organization? The World Health Organization, WHO, was put together by the United Nations on the 7th April 1948. WHO is not read as WHO. It is read as WHO. And United Nations is a city that is located in the United States. Since 1950, the World Health Day is celebrated. As an organization, its main purpose is to help people around the world to gain access to high quality health services even if they cannot afford it. We can aim to build a better and healthier future for people across the globe. World Health Organization theme. Every year, the celebration aims to create new awareness or specific theme to highlight the priority area of concern of the world. So, over past 50 years, it has brought to light many important health issues such as mental health, maternal and child care, climate change. Celebration is marked by several activities to highlight, make aware, sanitize and focus on important aspects of public health. COVID-19 is very dangerous. Please stay at home and don't touch the outside the house. Everyone has a right to food, health and security. Zero danger discrimination. Protect the marginalized and minorities. My health, my right. Healthcare based on need, not money. Life-saving vaccines and medicines should be available to all. The people's vaccine. Matter. Say no to vaccine and poverty. Theme 2021. Building a fair, healthier world. Our world is an unequal one. As COVID-19 has highlighted, some people are able to live healthier lives and have better access to health services than others due to where they are born and live. All over the world, many people struggle with low income, poor housing condition and education, fewer opportunities and unsafe conditions. This leads to suffering and avoidable illness. Building a fairer, healthier world. This is not only unfair, it is very preventable. That's why the WHO wants to everyone to have a living and working conditions that help them healthy. COVID-19 has hit all countries hard, but its impact has been felt most in those communities which were already vulnerable. Countries that are less likely to have access to quality health care services are more likely to experience the most severe effects. WHO is committed to ensuring that everyone everywhere can realize the right to good health. Efforts by government, efforts by NGO, RH Senior Patrol, an innovative targeted towards helping the most senior and susceptible members of society. Have elderly senior citizens who live away from you. Share details, and Robins across the world will do their best to deliver external life, food and medicines in the safest way during the lockdown. The battle against hunger intensifies. Feeding India. Be Hunger Hero in episode by Zomato. Summer hygiene kit. Seeds. Zomato is cooking very safe and delivering very safe. How can we help? Reach out to your friends in need. Call your domestic help and ensure they have COVID-19 externals. Distribute COVID-19 masks, soaps, hand sanitizers. Support an initiative that is helping migrant workers. Volunteer for local charities. Take care of the strays in your area. Be a chaperone for elderly, vulnerable neighbors. Read up and bust myths about COVID-19. Donate. Be safe and follow the rules of COVID-19. Dr. Tedros Adhanom, Director of the WHO. Health is a human right. No one should get sick or die just because they are poor or because they cannot access the services they need. Means that any human, or poor or rich, everyone is to save from COVID-19. Thank you.